I have wanted to start up my YouTube channel for a very long time now, but for some reasons of being judged by others of how I speak or my look, I couldn't do it. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Onyi'shair. I'm from Nigeria and I'm officially doing this. Yeah, still kind of scared actually, but I'm doing this. I'm here to face my fears. I'm here to share with the world what I can offer. If you're someone like me who has always wanted to start up a YouTube channel but don't know where to start from or have been scared like I am, please, this is the right time to start it. Yeah, take that bold step like as I'm taking now. I know this is not actually my first video here on YouTube because I have posted a few shots, but it's actually my first YouTube video with my voice attached to it. To be sincere, I'm still scared of the camera. Yeah. I have been recording and deleting videos since last week. Just a video intro and I couldn't do it. But I know in the future I will be able to face the camera without fear. Please guys, if you know you have this dream of sharing your value to the world, this is the right time for you. Pick up that courage. Pick it up. Pick yourself up. Just, I know it is hard because it is actually hard for me. Being that I'm not good in English and others, and it's the only language that I can use to communicate with others, it makes things even tougher for me. Please, I hope you guys will be able to learn one or two from this my broken English. When I know verse. English is not my first language. Sorry guys. So this is what we are going to be expecting in this channel. Natural health tips, DIYs, ranging from hair cream, moisturizer, using Ayurvedic herbs, of course. I'm I'm I love natural things, using herbs and all those things on my hair care routine. So all my uh, all my hair cream and all those things always contain herbs like aloe, flaxseed, hibiscus, all those goodies, Greek seed, and a lot more. So I know some of you will be curious on for how long I have been natural. I have been natural since August 28, 2022. That is when I barbed my hair off. Actually, barbing my hair off wasn't the plan because I left my relaxed hair for 5 months without retouching it, having with the mindset of having a big chop. But the barber that I went to decided to do another thing. After explaining what I want, decided to give me almost gorimakpa, like skin. Well, I can say I'm super proud of how far I have come because I have not kept natural hair before, and it was 2015 that I kept my first hair. Yeah, it sounds funny, but during my childhood days, we don't used to keep hair. We always on low cuts. We only make hair during December period, and before you make that hair during on December, you have to retouch your hair to straighten your hair to be able to pick. So I have never been natural before, and this is my first time being natural, and I can say I'm super proud of myself on how far I have come and was able to learn to manage my own hair within this short period of a time. Yeah. So me going natural was inspired by midwife where I had my first baby. She have this natural hair, and she don't used to add the kinky or anything to her hair. Whenever she twists her hair, it will be bouncy. Like after seeing her hair, I fall in love with it. I begged my husband. That was 2021. I was pregnant with my first baby then. My husband refused. I begged and begged, he refused. So that 2022, even after even going to barb my hair was against his wish. It was against him. I have to disobey my husband for the very first time. Sorry, a disobedient wife. So after having my hair cut, actually, I was kind of ashamed of my look, being that that is not what I wanted. I wanted to have a big job, but the barb the man decided to do his own will. Do you know that I could not even take pictures until my hair was almost 2 months to tell you that I was ashamed of the way I looked and the way people were bashing me of cutting my own hair. They actually referred my relaxed hair as long, thick, relaxed hair. But I love natural hair. I just saw that natural hair and I couldn't resist of going natural. Beginning of my hair care journey was actually tough for me, ranging from having to receive a silent treatment from my husband for the very first time and the struggle of taking care of it while it is growing. It was not easy, but I'm here to make yours easier for you from all I have learned so far. So stick around, subscribe to my channel, and be part of this wonderful family. I promise to share everything I know. I'm not a professional in hair, natural hair, but I promise to share all I know about it. Every damn thing that I know, I will be sharing with you guys here. I hope after listening to me, you will be able to start up your own YouTube channel. I'm wishing you good luck on your journey. And for some of you that will still say, I don't have the equipment needed, I myself doesn't have. I'm using my phone to record. That phone that you are using to browse, to watch others, use it. Start with it. As time goes on, we will be able to buy all those necessary things. Start with your phone already. You can do this. I believe you can. Believe in yourself that you can do this. I believe in you.
My crown ain't just for show, it holds my story high. Roots so deep they touch the sky, never telling lies. Braided wisdom, twisted gold, echoes from the past. Every coil, every curl, built to make this beauty last. Rise up,